Welcome to the CATBOTICA universe. Let's take a look at the Season 1 roadmap. Season 1 is broken up into 3 acts. Act 1, the arrival. Act 2, the encounter. And Act 3, the flashback. Act 1 takes place on the Queen Feliner, a massive ship headed to Earth filled with catbots. Here's what we're going to see in Act 1. 2D catbots, nanocats, 3D catbots, and the MyCATBOT app. 2D catbots are the genesis, hand-drawn collection of 12,000 NFTs. With these Genesis catbots, you hold the key to future airdrops. Let's take a look at what's in store for us. The first airdrop, Nanocats. Nanocats are microscopic catbots that help build, upgrade, and repair catbots. They also repair other mechanical structures like vehicles and robots. In Act 1, the first version of Nanocats will be released, called NV1s. At the end of May 2022, NV1s will be airdropped to 2D Genesis Catbot holders. You could use your NV1 Nanocats to upgrade your 2D catbots to 3D catbots. Or, should you choose to hold these limited supply of NV1s, you can decide to upgrade future 3D assets. Soon after the release of NV1s, we will introduce our first version of 3D catbots called Replicats. Just think of a replicat as a 3D copy of your 2D catbot. A replicat will have exactly the same traits as your 2D catbot. Pay attention to the base. The base trait will determine the surface of your 3D replicat. For example, if your 2D catbot has a red car paint base, your 3D catbot will have a red car paint surface. Does your 2D catbot have a gold base? Then your 3D catbot will have a gold surface. Whatever the base, that's the surface your replicat will have. To make a replicat, you'll need one Genesis 2D catbot, and you will need to burn an NV1 backpack. Please note, a replicat can only be generated once from a Genesis 2D catbot. There are ways to check if a replicat or an NV1 have been generated from your 2D catbot using the cat scanner. Simply enter the number of your catbot, and you can see if NV1s are available for redeem or if a replicat has been generated. As we build our NFT ecosystem, the strategic partners with CATBOTICA will develop apps, games, and physical products. The first CATBOTICA app is called MyCATBOT, an app where you can design, color, and draw over your own catbot. Great for the kids and great for anyone who loves catbots. Every Friday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the CATBOT Cafe and Game Night. This is where we'll share all the project updates, bring on guests, and most importantly, have fun. That's all for Act 1. Now let's fly on over to Act 2, the encounter. This act takes place on planet Earth, after the Queen Feliner lands with its cargo of 12,000 catbots. Here's what's in store for us in Act 2. NV2 Nanocats, 3D Descendants, D-Trons, and the DIGITARIUM. NV2 Nanocats are similar to NV1s. They can be used to generate 3D catbots from your 2D Genesis catbot. They can also be used to upgrade future 3D assets. Here's the big difference. With NV1s, you generate replicats, but with NV2s, you make 3D Descendants. Descendants are 3D catbots that share some, but not all the traits of your 2D catbot. You can generate as many Descendants from your 2D Genesis catbot so long as you have an NV2 with a 2D Genesis catbot. If you have 5 3D catbots and 4 nanocat backpacks, you can assemble a giant super ultra catbot called a Catron. Catrons come in 2 models, Replicatron and Descendatron, Artron or D-Tron for short. The engineers are hard at work on schematics, and you'll learn more about Catrons as Season 1 progresses. We also plan to launch the DIGITARIUM, our marketplace for trading and much, much more. That's all for Act 2. Now, let's go back in time to Act 3, the flashback. In Act 3, we are taken back to planet Neilos, home of the Catbots. This is where we'll see Kitty Gotchi, a 2D game used to raise and upgrade felines. 9-to-9ers, non-sentient catbots built for resource mining, building, defense, shipping, transportation, and repairing. Elementals. Elementals are a variety of pure substance elements, which are mined directly on Neilos, as well as the planets surrounding moons and asteroids. These raw matter materials are not only adorable, but they can be used to provide additional energy and special abilities to catbots. Some are more rare than others. The Season 1 finale ends with the metaverse and the launch of the 3D game. That's all for the Season 1 overview. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for joining us in this incredible journey through the CATBOTICA universe.